Hi everyone, welcome back again to me, and in this video I would like to read some article again. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The title of this article is Exclusive Bank of Korea's Rich Says Don't Think Korea Can End Policy Tightening Before Fed. This article by Howard Snyder and Sapir and Cynthia Kim, Jackson Hall. WYO or Seoul Reuters, the Bank of Korea must keep raising interest rates until inflation is in decline, but the central bank likely could not halt its tightening before the U.S. Federal Reserve Governor Ri Chang-yong said on Saturday. In an interview with Reuters, Ri also said South Korea's central bank is ready to take steps including intervention to stabilize the won against the dollar if needed should the bank determine speculative forces are causing the currency fall. Ri's comment on the sidelines of the Jackson Hole Conference of Central Bankers in the U.S. state of Wyoming a prey to quash speculation that the bulk might be one of the first big central banks to ease off in global battle against the hottest inflation in decades. Asia's fourth-largest economy has been in the vanguard of global tightening. The BOK was among the first central banks to abandon pandemic-era monetary stimulus, raising its key policy rate by 2 percentage points since August last year to 2.5%. Dollar appreciation, driven by Fed rate increase, has added to inflation in many open economies around the world, including South Korea as the local currency falls in value. We are now independent from government, but we are not independent from the Fed. Lee said so. If the Fed continues to increase the interest rate, it will have a depreciation pressure for our currency. Although the BOK began raising interest rates before the Fed, with its first hike coming a year ago. Whether we can end earlier, I don't think so. South Korea's inflation is largely the result of outside issues like energy price reset. He said, if you ask me whether I'm going to stop, what happens if the oil price increase again? He said, it's very hard for us to know the exact timing given the importance of the external shock. Even though he expects domestic inflation to cool in August compared with the 6.3% rate seen in July, it is too premature to say it has peaked, especially since as winter approached, gas price could gain rise. The BOK raised rates by a quarter point at its last meeting and said future quarter point increases will be appropriate for some time as long as inflation paths remain as currently presumed. The stopping point reset would hinge on how inflation behaves. At this point, I cannot say we are ahead of the curve reset. As long as inflation remains high, meaning 4% till 5%, then we will definitely continue to emphasize the normalization of interest rate. I on the WON inflation in South Korea is forecast around 5% by the end of 2022 and falling through 2023. Its central bank, like many other, target 2% inflation. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And see you soon in the next video.